Welcome, in front of me I have Nokia 2.4 and today I'm going to show you how the fingerprint scanner performs in the smartphone. So as you know, the fingerprint sensor is on the back of the smartphone, right? It's right here. So right now let's make the 5 tries and let's see how fast it works and if it is reliable. So let's start. So as you can see, it's very fast and it's reliable. It works every time, and to be honest, I just test the fingerprint sensor in the Nokia 5.4 and 3.4, and honestly, this one works the best. It's the fastest sensor and the most reliable. So it's interesting because this is the cheapest smartphone in the 0.4 lineup of the Nokia. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.